Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's start a new video. In this video, I'm going to show when I was in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, then I visited a place that is a poultry farm because you all know I am an agriculture student and poultry is also comes under our subject, so it's important to visit that. So guys, without any delay, let's get into the video. And in this video, there is no need to explain anything. You all gonna know what is it. So there are lots of variety of hens and guinea fowls as well, turkeys, and I think it's bitters and chicklings like so. Let's get into video and enjoy. Oh,
तो सर कड़कनाथ है क्या
फिर ये काला मुर्गा कुछ
ये कड़कनाथ कड़कनाथ
कड़कनाथ।
ये कैसा होता होगा
1500 रुपए की ये दोनों
ये किस लिए थी वाह
ये
वो
थोड़ी
देखो
चल रही है ये सबसे पॉपुलर नहीं है ये देखो
इसको थैंक्स गिविंग के दिन खाया जाता है। यहाँ तो पता है ना,
इसका फोटो ले लो
अमेरिका में इसको थैंक्स गिविंग
क्या है इसके माउथ के ऊपर
क्या
ऊपर क्या है
नोज जैसा?
हाँ ये क्या है
अब भाई वो ग्रोथ है इनकी बॉडी। कितना फनी साउंड करते हैं ये लोग। वाओ, इनका क्या नेम था? इधर देखना। ओ हीरो, इसका क्या नेम है? क्या? गिन्नी फाउल। भागो तुम लोग।
इधर देखिए,
गिन्नी फाउल
इधर देखिए।
आ रहे रुक जाओ। देखो हम लोग को कितने लोग देख रहे हैं।
ये देखिए पट्टर की।
So guys, these all are the birds you can see, and poultry birds. There was a single egg. If you, I think if you notice, then you will get it. So I really enjoyed. Yeah, smell was so foully and it was not so pleasant, but it doesn't matter. It's important to know about them. That's why we visited that place. And it's our third year, so we are too late to visit this. But it's important to know about all these hands also. And these are really nice. They are looking so beautiful. And if I so guys, I hope you all liked my video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share along with your friends. So see ya, bye bye, love you all, bye bye.